Today, there are a growing number of options for treating breast cancer. Since your diagnosis, you may have had surgery performed and/or radiation applied at the site of the cancer. Lumpectomy is a surgical procedure that removes a cancerous lump and the surrounding breast tissue. Mastectomy, another surgical procedure, removes the entire breast and some lymph nodes. Both of these are performed to remove as much of the cancer as possible. Another treatment option is radiation therapy, which uses high-energy rays to destroy cancer cells and shrink tumors. Systemic treatment, like chemotherapy, enters the body through an oral pill or a needle and travels through the bloodstream. Chemotherapy drugs move through your body, destroying cancer cells, but because the drugs are toxic and cannot tell the difference between normal and cancer cells, some healthy cells are also destroyed in the process. This accounts for many of the common side effects experienced with chemotherapy, like vomiting, hair loss, and fatigue. Another systemic treatment is medication called hormonal therapy, which is taken orally to help lower the risk of cancer returning or spreading to other parts of the body. Hormonal therapy works by interfering with the harmful effects that estrogen has on some cancers. This will be discussed in detail in subsequent chapters.